Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we're right here on the Port Royal Street Coastal Revetment Project. This is where they are strengthening the coastline by laying boulders, as you can see, and also a very thick, probably say 15 to 20 inches concrete barrier to prevent the erosion of the coastline. So that's what they're doing. That section out there is new, where those boats are. I think they built it because of some of the work they're doing out here. So we recently did a driving video around this project. So today is the drone video. So first of all, guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. It doesn't cost. So if that red subscribe button is still red, just turn it gray by joining the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like the video, leave a comment as well. This project is being developed at a cost of Jamaican $950 million. So definitely leave your comment as well, guys. Let me know what you think about the pace of the project and what they're doing in terms of what the project will include. They'll be redoing the entire roadway as well. They'll be creating a boardwalk, a jogging trail, and at the start of the project, closer to the Raytown fishing village, they'll also have an area for fishing as well. We have the airport across the water over there, the Norman Manley International Airport, right over there. So guys, this is a drone video, so stay tuned, watch till the end. I'm going to put the eagle up in the here, and we take a first look on this project from an eagle eyes view. So stay tuned for that. That's the new Foreign Affairs building right there. And also this Scotia, one of the main Scotia building, I think that's their headquarters. And then we have the new Grace Kennedy building as well. And again, we're in downtown Kingston, close to where they call the waterfront Victoria Pier. So that's where we at, guys. And again, guys, leave your comments. Don't forget to leave your comments. The more you comment is the more engagement the channel gets, and the more YouTube will spread the video to persons. Alright guys, so this video is in partnership with Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. They're sponsoring this video and a few other videos to come as well. So if you're interested in a loan, guys, any type of loan, auto loan, house loan, payday loan, any type of loan, guys, give them a buzz. They have an office in every parish as well. I'll put their Instagram link, their Facebook link, and also their phone number in the comments and description, guys. So go on over, show them some love, and even if you're not interested in a loan right now, still follow them. Just the fact that they have partnered with the channel. So Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited, that's the first and only stop for any loan that you guys are interested in. Go over and show them some love, guys. That I've never seen the channel before. Alright guys, so drainage is a main part of this project, so they have to ensure that the drainage is well done so that the water can go back out to sea. Alright guys, let's jump into some eagle eyes view. So wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. No.